Assalamu alaikum friends. In this video today we are going to discuss the historical aspect of the novel War and Peace. This novel has been written by Leo Tolstoy in the backdrop of French invasion of Russia in 1812. So French army was ready to attack on Russia. So when Napoleon Grand Army crossed the Niemen River, which is a famous river in Russia, and they tried to defeat the Russian army. But what happened? We will discuss the consequences later on. Now, one thing is here, Napoleon hoped to compel the Tsar, Alexander the One, Tsar of Russia. He was the emperor of Russia at that time, to cease trading with British. So the French people had the objection why British and Russians are trading among each other. Why is there trade? So they wanted to cut off the trade. The second reason was that William the Conqueror and Harold Godwinson, they fought at the during the Anglo-Saxons time, when Anglo-Saxons time period ended and Anglo-Normans compelled. The William Conqueror was from the Anglo-Normans, so they compelled or they forced Harold Godwinson, and they defeated him. The French became conqueror. So the Anglo-Saxons king or the Harold Godwinson the Britishers always wanted to defeat or take revenge from the French people, because they already were successful and they wanted to take their power back. So the clash was always continue between the British and the French people. So here, Napoleon, who was a conqueror in so many countries, he wanted to actually attack and take power in Russia. Now, what was the second reason I will discuss with you here? The second reason was that the official and political reason was that French people wanted to liberate Poland from the threat of Russia. Now, what happened in the year 1795 to 1819? Poland was split into three parts: Prussia, Habsburg monarchy, and Russia. One of the part of the Poland was was with the Russians. So the French people wanted to liberate Poland, or they want to take back that area of Poland by attacking on them. And Prussia is discussed here. Prussia is a German state of Russia. Prussia is a German state. So Napoleon was victorious in number of battles previously, and he was also successful with the war with the Prussians at the Battle of Valmy in 1792. So when they started this attack, they came across several logistical challenges. In 1812, when they waged the war at the Russians, they faced a number of challenges, one number of difficulties. One of the most significant difficulties will be discussed here. Number one among them was the lack of winter horseshoes, which made it impossible for the horses to continue their walk on the snow and ice. Now, what happened? The horse is an animal who runs very fast, but during the winter days, his hooves needs to be changed. So there was no facility, and the French Emperor Napoleon did not have one thing in mind, that the attack or the war will take so many days. The horses will have to stay in such a extreme weather. So it was a difficulty. It was a big difficulty. So they could not move any further step. Secondly, there was a lack of food. There was lack of drinking water and many other supplies. People were starving. Were the grand army of French Napoleon army was starving for food. They didn't have anything edible things with them. There was no water. So this was also one of the biggest thing which stopped them. And number third was that agriculturally it was a agriculturally sparse regions led to death of troops and exposing them to waterborne diseases. Now the army of Napoleon came across a very worse situation when there was a lack of food, and they became a victim of number of the waterborne diseases. Agriculturally it was a sparse region, it was an open area, and it was a not very thick agricultural area, or not a very thick forest. So their survival was becoming difficult. They didn't have a drinking water. If there was a water, it was a muddy water, and they were eating the rotten food, the dead food. So extreme cold weather, these were all the factors which made their success difficult. So they came defeated, and they didn't get anything. They died, number of the army people died. So this was the backdrop when they waged the war. Here in the Leo Tolstoy wants to depict the what were the after consequences, what were the pre consequences of the war on the people, in the mind of the Russians. So he wants to discuss those aspects. In my next video we will discuss about the novel War and Peace. What does it depict, especially from the philosophical point of view? So what the characters wanted to depict, if there were the 599 characters, huge character sketch, what was the significant message which Leo Tolstoy wants to convey through this novel? So thank you friends, let's move to another video. Thank you so much.